In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a business letter in Microsoft Word. Creating a professional business letter in Word is a simple way to organize your message and give your correspondence a clean, polished appearance. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is open, you can start setting up the basic structure of your business letter. Begin by entering the sender's information at the top of the document. This can include the company name, address, phone number, email address, or other contact information you want to include. Keeping this information organized at the top makes it easy for the recipient to identify who the letter is from. Next, enter the date of the letter. After that, add the recipient's information, including their name, job title, company name, and address. Make sure each part of the address is placed on its own line so the information is easy to read. After the recipient's information, add a professional greeting. You can use a greeting such as "Dear Hiring Manager" or address the recipient by name when appropriate. Now you can begin writing the body of the letter. Keep your message clear, professional, and focused on the purpose of the letter. Use separate paragraphs to organize different parts of your message. This makes the letter easier to read and helps your main point stand out. Once you have finished the main message, add a professional closing. Common choices include "Sincerely" or "Best regards." Leave enough space below the closing for your signature, then enter your name and, if appropriate, your job title or company information. You can also review the overall formatting to make sure everything is aligned consistently and that there's enough spacing between each section. A clean layout can make your letter look much more professional. Before finishing, review the entire document for spelling, grammar, and formatting issues. Make sure the recipient's information and the main message are accurate. And that's how you can make a professional business letter in Microsoft Word. Starting with a clear structure and keeping the formatting consistent can help you create a letter that looks organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.